Grade 7 Math 12.1a, Probability Describing Events and Likelihood of Events. Each time we roll a number cube, a die, a number from 1 to 6 lands face up. This is called an event. We can find the likelihood of an event with one die. We know there's dots on them and they're numbered 1 through 6 on each side, right? And the chances of rolling a number out of 6 rolls to roll less than 7, well, that would be every roll we would get less than 7 because there are no 7s on there, right? What are the chances of rolling an 8? Well, none because there are no 8s. How about rolling a number greater than 4? Well, there's only the numbers 5 and 6 that are greater than 4, and if we're doing 6 rolls, that's 2 out of 6 or 2/6. We could even say 1/3, couldn't we, if we reduce it? What are the chances of rolling a 5? Well, that's just once, because there's only one side that has a 5 on the die. That's 1 out of 6 chance, or 1/6. And the chance of rolling a number other than 6, well, that would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. That's 5 numbers out of 6. That's 5/6 of a chance. The chance of rolling an even number, there's 3 even numbers, a 2, 4, and a 6, so we'd have 3 out of 6, or 3/6. So that would be like half the chance, right? Because that's what it simplifies to. It's like a 50-50 chance. Less than 5. If we roll less than 5, that means we roll a 1, 2, 3, or 4. So that's 4 out of 6, or 4/6. That would be 2/3, wouldn't it? What are the chances of rolling an odd number? Well, the only odd numbers on the die are 1, 3, and 5. So that's 3 numbers. We have 3 out of 6, or 3/6 of a chance, or half, don't we? What about a number that's divisible by 3? Well, the only numbers divisible by 3 on a die are a 3 and a 6. So that's 2 numbers. That's 2 out of 6, or 2/6. And that can be simplified to 1/3, can't it? An experiment is an activity involving chance and the results are observed. And each observation of an experiment is a trial. And each result is an outcome. Each observation of rolling the die is a trial. And each number that lands face up is an outcome. And a set of one or more outcomes is an event. An outcome is an event, and several outcomes is an event. It could be one or more. And the probability of an event, it's written as P event, measures the likelihood that the event will happen. And the probability is a measure between 0 and 1, and it can be written as a fraction, a decimal, or a percent. So if there's no chance of something happening, it's impossible, it would be a 0. If it was definitely going to happen, then it would be a 1. That would be certain. And if we had a 50-50 chance of it happening, or half a chance, then it would be right here. It would be equally likely or unlikely. It could go either way. And if it just leans towards it not happening, it would be here in the unlikely area. And if it leans towards it might happen, then it would be in the likely area, okay? And from 0 to 1, what is the probability of picking a red marble from a bag of 30 blue marbles and only one red one? Well, it's unlikely that we'll pick a red marble, but it could happen. We could get lucky and pick that one red one. It's a 1 out of 31 chance. There's 30 blue and 1 red. That's 31 marbles. So we have a 1 out of 31 chance of getting that red marble. What's the probability that we pick a blue marble from the bag of 30 blue marbles and 1 red one? Well, that's likely. It's almost certain because there's so many blue ones. We have a 30 out of 31 chance, or 30/31st, to pick it, don't we? What's the probability that we pick a red marble from a bag of 16 blue and 15 red? Well, there's almost as many blue and red ones. So it's equally likely as not. We have a 15 out of 31 chance. It's about half. It's 15/31st. So each observation of picking a marble from the bag is a trial. And each resulting color, red or blue, is an outcome. And a set of one or more outcomes, like picking blue, red, blue, blue, well, that's an event, okay? Because it's one or more than one outcome, all right? So I hope this was helpful, and I hope I explained it well enough, and I hope you're doing well, and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.